Hello, I'm your Reeves County Emergency Management Coordinator, Jerry Bullard, here to talk with you about the town of Pecos City's tornado sirens. The siren system is tested on the second and fourth Thursday of each month at 11:45. These sirens are connected to the National Weather Service warning system. So what that looks like, if there's a tornado warning that impedes the radius around the town of Pecos, the sirens will automatically go off for 3 minutes. These sirens are outdoor sirens. If you hear one going off, please move indoors to an interior room in the lower level of your house away from windows. For any questions, please call Emergency Management at 432-287-0242.